Welcome to a new science video of scienceness. Been some time, hasn't it? Yes, there will be math using lots of numbers for this one. I was curious what temperature water becomes plasma. I looked it up and pretty much the only thing I can find is on a website called madasci.org saying a temperature of 12,000 degrees Kelvin, which degrees is wrong. Kelvin isn't in degrees. It's a exact measure of temperature. It should have been 12,000 Kelvin. But let's give that site a break. It's actually helping me with this video because without it, I couldn't figure out this. First up, the easier one. To convert Celsius to Kelvin, Kelvin to Celsius, it is Kelvin temperature, Kelvin energy, minus 273. Because Kelvin isn't a temperature, it's a measure of energy. Which gives the Celsius temperature for about the point in which water becomes a plasma to, after I do 12,000 minus 273, I wind up with 11,727 degrees Celsius. That's when water becomes plasma. Just one molecule, which I'm not gonna talk about what one mole is, because I don't think that is the correct plan. 9/5 times Kelvin, which is 12,000 minus 273. The 12,000 minus 273 is in parentheses. And then add a 32. And for the temperature in which water becomes almost a plasma in Fahrenheit is I'm not so sure of that formula. Actually, yeah, it makes some sense. Because I read it initially as 2140.6. But in actuality, it's 21,140.6 degrees Fahrenheit is when water becomes a plasma. This video was something that I kind of actually wanted to do for some time. Because, quite frankly, the fourth state of matter interests me. Because plasma is cool. Actually, it's very hot. Don't touch plasma. The core of the Earth, that's plasma. Overall, the outer core and mantle is. The sun, that's plasma. Fire is a vague sort of plasma. I'm not gonna tell you how you could make plasma, because even if I would, I don't want, even if I could, I wouldn't want to tell you. Because I don't want you all blaming me for microwave destruction. Overall, check out the YouTube channel The King of Random if you want to see plasma being made. But don't repeat any of their stunts. Because it's dangerous. Some of them, anyway. Such as dealing with the liquid nitrogen, liquid oxygen, and solid carbon dioxide, or more famously known as dry ice. Most of the stunts that they do is very dangerous. Also, if you have any requests for Minecraft for a video in a form of a myth you want me to test, comment. I'll test them all. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. But most of all, as always, keep it joyful! And also, most of all, as always, keep learning new things! And that was a science video of scienceness. Yeah! About water becoming a plasma! Which I didn't show off because it's very dangerous to. And I don't think an oven can reach those extremes. And even if it did, my grandma would probably have a conniption fit of me setting the house on fire with that plasma.